Hey everybody, in this video we are doing example 5 in a playlist full of pre-calculus final exam review problems. In number 5 we are going to write as a single log or single logarithm, and we have what we would refer to as an expanded logarithmic expression. I'm not going into the nitty-gritty. If you need more help on this, if you scroll down in the description box, I have attached the exponential and logarithmic functions playlist down there, and you can look in section 2 or 3, one of them, and you will see things to do with product property, quotient property, power property. Those are the lessons, and then after that there are some examples that further, some bigger examples, condensing or expanding, so you can check those. So I'm just going to get into the final answer really here. Now, log written by itself is really a log with invisible base 10. That is known as the common log. Then from there, B and C, the log B and plus log C implies addition, and multiplication, and the subtraction symbol implies the division of the quotient property. So I will draw a fraction bar. My numerator will be B times C, and my denominator will be V plus W. Addition on the inside like this is not to be confused with addition leading to a product. It is on the inside. It would have to be the addition of two logarithmic expressions. That is one logarithmic expression with addition on the inside of it. Think back, f of g of x, what is being added? The inner function, or g of x, is being added. I would want like an f of x plus a g of x for it to turn into log, where I have a log of a product, where I have log written twice to kick things off. That's it. If you need more, look at example 4 and look at those videos I described at the beginning of the video. And if that was helpful, great, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, requests can go in the comment section. Check the description box or the playlist thumbnail on the screen for more help regarding this topic. That's it for now. Adios.